14 Best Foods to Prevent Hair Fall. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, both of which promote hair strength. In fact, protein is like the building block of your hair. Which is why, the lack of it has always been associated with hair fall. Additionally, biotin is essential to produce keratin, which is also a kind of hair protein. All of this makes eggs the perfect addition to your diet. The best part about eggs is also the fact that you can eat them in so many ways: boiled, scrambled, curried, so on and so forth. Number 2. Carrots. They are not just meant for your eyes, but also are the perfect source of vitamin A your hair needs. They are extremely nutritious for the scalp and go a long way in keeping your hair moisturized from the roots to the tips, which can also be a best include for the summer diet for hair fall. You can snack on carrots along with a dip or add them to other dishes like fried rice, vegetable chat, so on and so forth. Number 3. Oats. They aren't just a great source of fiber, but also have a high concentration of essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and omega-6 fatty acids. These are often referred to as polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, and are essential to maintain skin as well as hair health. You can have oats for breakfast every few times a week, to ensure your hair gets all the nutrients it needs. Number 4. Spinach. Rich in vitamins and nutrients like folate, iron, vitamin A and vitamin C, all of which are essential for hair growth, spinach is an indispensable food if you want to prevent hair fall. In fact, it's a great source of iron, thus promoting hair health. If you are not too fond of the Indian-style spinach sabzi, you can also have it as a smoothie, along with other green leafy vegetables like kale, blended with peanut butter and almond milk. Number 5. Prunes. If your hair is thinning, dry or discolored, the reason could be a deficiency of iron. You should consume prunes as they are a great source of iron. You can have them as a midday snack or during breakfast for great hair thickness and strength. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are critical for absorbing vitamin A, as they are rich in beta-carotene. Vitamin A is essential for hair thickness and production of sebum, to keep your hair healthy and moisturized naturally. One way of adding sweet potatoes to your meal is to cook vegetable cutlets. Number 7. Dairy products, low fat. Calcium is an extremely essential mineral for hair growth, as it has two protein sources, whey and casein. Add yogurt or cottage cheese to your snack list. Mixing a few nuts like walnut and flax seeds can also give you nutrients like zinc and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 8. Avocado. Vitamin E promotes hair strength as well as growth. And avocados are excellent sources of vitamin E. In fact, a medium-sized avocado makes up for about 21% of your daily vitamin E needs. Vitamin E is also a great source of fatty acid, a deficiency of which has been linked to hair fall. You can have avocado with toast and a bit of seasoning. Guacamole is also a super popular and healthy avocado dish. Number 9. Seeds. One of the most effective foods that prevent hair fall, seeds are packed with vitamin E, zinc and selenium. In fact, an ounce of sunflower seeds makes up about 50% of your daily vitamin E needs. Other seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds also have omega-3 fatty acids, all of which make up an efficient diet for preventing hair fall. Add them to your salad bowl or cornflakes bowl, for just the right bit of crunch. Number 10. Beans. One of the richest plant-based sources of protein, beans are packed with lots of zinc, iron, biotin, and folate. While you can add beans to an Indian meal, you can also use them in a variety of Asian as well as continental cuisines, thus making them a versatile and affordable option. Number 11. Meat. There isn't quite anything like meat for protein as well as iron. In fact, red meat is extremely rich in iron, thus helping red blood cells deliver oxygen to all parts of the body efficiently, including hair follicles. Number 12, lentils and chickpeas. Both being extremely rich in folic acid, lentils and chickpeas help your body produce more red blood cells, thus proving essential for hair growth and strength. While lentils are extremely versatile, especially in an Indian kitchen, chickpeas can also be used to prepare hummus, ergo, satisfying your tummy as well as your tresses at once. Number 13, kiwi. A great source of vitamin C, kiwi can help your body absorb iron more efficiently, thus promoting hair growth and preventing hair fall. Dig into all other citrus fruits as well to add the magic of vitamin C. Blend some kiwi juice or just add some in your cereal bowl along with a few other nuts and fruits for a wholesome breakfast. Number 14, black beans or rajma. A great source of protein and folate, both of which are indispensable for hair growth. Rajma is also an essential source of fiber. In fact, black beans have also been linked to hair thickening. So, if you have thinning hair, this is your go-to superfood. Add it in your traditional rajma chawal meal plan or prepare the popular Mexican-style black beans. While none of these foods have a side effect, it's best to consume all of them in moderate quantities. The key is to avoid hair fall causing food, and plan a versatile diet, in order to maintain a balance.